Hey friends, welcome back. Today we are going to make something that's so comforting, so warming, and absolutely delicious. It's a chicken curry which is rich, flavorful, and super easy to make. So, whether you're cooking for yourself or for friends or family, this is one dish that everyone is going to love, and it is packed with nutritious ingredients so you can feel what's good about what you're eating. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is heat up a pan over medium flame and add your chopped onions, garlic, ginger, and tomato and saute it for 3 to 4 minutes until it becomes translucent. To get to the smoky flavor, I didn't add oil to the pan, but I definitely suggest adding oil if you're using a ceramic pan. And you guys know the drill? Stir it occasionally so that it doesn't burn. So keep that bit aside for it to cool down so that we can grind it later on to get a rich, thick and smooth gravy. So now let's prepare the ingredients, which is going to go back in the pan again. I'm going to use ginger and garlic cube. This is available in Tesco if you guys want it. Okay, now to the same pan, add a bit of oil, followed by all these spices. It's bay leaves, star anise, cardamom, cinnamon and clove. And you can add your chopped and minced garlic as well as chili to it. The aroma of the ginger and the garlic sauteing together is just so incredible, and it is really the foundation of the dish. And let's just cook together another for 2 to 3 minutes until it gets really fragrant. I'll just set aside the pan for like a medium-low flame and take that time to grind the cool down stuffs. So now it's time for the spices. This is where the magic really happens. So we are adding some turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder and some chicken masala here. Give that a good stir and let the spices toast for about 30 seconds to a minute, and this helps to release those beautiful flavors. So after that's done, I'm going to add the grinded bit to it. This is what's going to make that gravy so rich and creamy. You guys can see that in a minute. Oh, I forgot to add the salt in, by the way. Just add the salt in as well, guys. To get that extra bit which is stuck to the grinder, I'm just going to add half a cup of glass of water. Just stir it nicely and just pour it over the gravy. You can see how nice the gravy is already looking, right? Alright, now we are going to add our chicken pieces. Make sure they're nicely coated with all the spices and let them cook for about 5 to 10 minutes until they are browned on all sides. This will also seal in all the juices and keep the chicken really tender. Then we're going to pour in half a can of coconut milk if you guys want. This is the time to do it, which will make the curry wonderfully creamy and it will give a lovely mild flavor that balances all the spice out. So the chicken curry is ready to be served with some fresh squeeze of lemon and some cilantro. I enjoyed with some fluffy rice fermented pancakes. What is your choice? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.